It's simple to picture transferring money to a friend or purchasing a product in a matter of seconds nowadays. Add in buying stocks and cryptocurrencies and you have everything you need in the most accessible places. And that's thanks to the fintech boom that has been occurring. And because of this, fintech investment has risen substantially in recent years, as several nations strive to become the epicenters of cutting-edge fintech innovation. So today, we'll take a look at the top 5 countries leading in fintech innovation. The top player on the list is no longer the UK like it was back in 2018 and 2019. The ongoing pandemic gave way to a strong contender, the USA, with its robust fintech ecosystem. Fintech technologies have been made simple by companies like Stripe, Coinbase, and Robinhood. Their strengths lie in insurance, lending, payments, business-to-business fintech, and cryptocurrencies. In the recent years, fintech entities started to provide an increasing amount of financial products that were historically provided by traditional financial services in the USA, helping grow the ecosystem even further. Despite some strong regulations by security authorities, the United States remains an attractive center for fintech finance and investment, with fintech capital cities being San Francisco and New York. You might have guessed, but coming in second is the UK. When it comes to fintech, the United Kingdom has long been the undisputed leader, with its capital, London, undeniably remaining as a top hub for fintech startups, with the billion-dollar companies like TransferWise, Monzo, Revolut, and Funding Circle. The UK has firmly established itself as Europe's fintech unicorn capital. More than 20 fintech accelerators call the UK home, including Anthemis Venture Studios and others, and they are driving more startups to seek their beginnings in the industry. Not only are fintech technologies prospering in the UK, but you can also rely on fintech services in the UK thanks to strict policy and efficient tax deductions. Their strengths lie in alternative lending and finance, blockchain and digital currencies, digital banking, insurtech, payments, personal finance, and wealth management. Thirdly, we have Singapore. Singapore is famous for its Singapore Fintech Festival, as well as Singapore Week of Innovation and Finnovation Asia. And this helps drive a thriving fintech ecosystem and shows why it is third on the list. Singapore boasts over 20 fintech accelerators similar to the UK, such as ANZ Bluespace, Bank of China Innovation Labs Singapore, and HSBC Singapore Innovation Labs. Singapore is now a major fintech hub, and the government frequently invests heavily in the sector. Given that China has restricted fintech startup investments, Singapore is aptly dubbed Asia's fintech center. Another benefit that fintech startups and businesses may enjoy in Singapore is low fees. Singapore's strengths lie in wealth management, digital banking, insurtech, lending, and payments. Next up is Lithuania. Lithuania is slowly making its way to the top of becoming a fintech leader as a relatively new player amongst fintech companies. One of its most distinguishing characteristics is a well-thought-out strategy for every level of digital fintech platforms and digital payment innovations. Allegedly with the fastest Wi-Fi speed in Europe, Lithuania is home to 170 fintech companies, with its fintech capital being Vilnius, which is home to nearly 70 ventures, and other startups such as Stock Invest, CoinGate, Neo Finance, and Satchel. Lithuania's business-friendly climate, including low corporate taxes, make it ideal for startups. The Bank of Lithuania plays a crucial role in speedy development, as it focuses on increasing competition and creating the right environment for innovation, so that fintech products can enter the market transparently and smoothly. Their strengths lie in payments, lending, banking, and cryptocurrencies. Lastly is Switzerland. As Europe's second most prosperous country, Switzerland also has the strengths in fintech, most known for Zug, a self-proclaimed crypto valley. This city is booming and quickly establishing itself as a leader in currency and digital money innovation. While there aren't many accelerators, firms such as Crypto Valley Venture, Capital Blockchain Valley Ventures, and Spectral Capital are growing, making it one of the most advanced countries in terms of fintech. Switzerland focuses on attracting young, innovative companies and experts, since they understand the importance of rapidly developing the fintech industry. Thanks to the historical strengths of the Swiss financial sector, the country's fintech ecosystem presents an ideal combination of dense and diverse features, not to mention their pool of talents ready to come up with innovative solutions and showcase them at the Swiss Fintech Awards each year. Switzerland's strengths lie in cryptocurrency and blockchain, wealth management, and crowdfunding. Improving finance and driving fintech innovation is what these top 5 countries do best. Because we live in such a fast-paced world, no one can anticipate which countries will take the leading positions next year. But one thing is for sure, fintech will continue to be one of the most important business sectors in our digitalized world. And once a consumer has made use of fintech services, it's hard to go back to any type of traditional service. Once you go fintech, you never go back. In our next video, we'll be looking at 10 rising fintech ecosystems shaking up the order of the world's best countries to invest in. So please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so not to miss out on more.